America has just now become a truly free nation. We have enough democracy so that none of our citizens would ever need to fight for more. Statistics show that around 2% of our whole population does not have the credential to be qualified for such a democracy.
Hey guys, have you seen this?
Seen what?
This.
What's up?
Oh, hi, Dory. Hey. Yeah, I turn on my CNN.
It's all over Twitter too.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
What is
YouTube
Twitter
as well.
saying?
Wow.
Is this just some kind of a joke?
To make sure that everyone enjoys equal rights, we'll let the people, you, everyone, decide who exactly those people
There's no
are.
way it's real. Sorry, what?
I mean, like, even if it's real, you're not gonna
I'm
be a
not
part of
doing
it, right?
No, I'm not doing
No,
it.
right?
we're
I mean, it's just a
friends.
joke. Yeah.
I don't get it. Why would anyone do that to another person?
Yeah.
The people will protect the country. Additionally, there will be tax exemptions for purchasers of Cheetos.
Well, I love Cheetos, but
A wonderful orange snack per our leaders' orders.
Per our leaders' orders. Per our leaders' orders.
Did you hear that? Did I hear what?
this is so stupid.
I don't know what that was. Sounded vaguely human.
Really, though, I don't really understand what the point of not actually engaging in like a civil discourse about the fact that there are children in camps at the border, and why is it that we feel so easily polarized with just a simple thing like politics that's vague? It doesn't necessarily affect us, right? It's a chain, it trickles down because of, systems set up in place to prevent people from actually executing their proper democracy. And what are we doing here as students? What do we do? What do we say? Do we just wait?
I have a question.
For today, war is too important to be left to politicians. They have neither the time, the training, nor the inclination for strategic thought. I can no longer sit back and allow communist infiltration, communist indoctrination, communist subversion, and the international communist conspiracy to sap and impurify all of our precious bodily fluids.